Hi, watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, it's been over 2 weeks that advocates they are protesting over here against the Legal Aid Defence Council. We are having with us President of District Bar Association Ludhiana, Advocate Vipin Sagar. Sagar Saab, today 2 weeks have been. It has been over 2 weeks. You are protesting. What do you want to say today? You even had a meeting with the representatives. So, what are further decisions?
Sir, actually, this agitation is not of the 2 weeks. It has been started from 7th. So it's 21 days over here. So we are protesting against LADC, and we had a meeting with. Right now, we had come from the meeting from the session judge also, ma'am. So they all are requesting to get over this deadlock. So our deadlock is nothing but we just want written assurance regarding the LADC scheme, which are not been provided. They had sent something written, but that is only an eyewash. Our main demands that their contract will not be renewed, newcomers will get a chance, and the complete policy rollback. We know that it is an ALSA, it is a matter of the Supreme Court. So High Court cannot do, but the High Court can assure us that there will be no contract renewal of these LADCs. Newcomers will come. How the newcomers will get a chance? If they're regularly getting the contract renewed, then how the newcomers? And we want to increase the numbers of LADCs. We don't want, get it the name of LADC. We don't have any problem with the LADC name. We want that there should be 100 to 150 lawyers in the panel, and it should be yearly basis. It should be yearly basis. So on these matters, we don't have any written assurance. Yesterday or day before yesterday, there was a circular which instigate the matter more. There was instruction from the Registrar General that if on the one day Defence Counsel will not appear, then on the second day the court has power to appoint LADC in that case. So this is an arbitrarily decisions which are taken by the High Court or even whatever the authority is. So there are some instances when Defence Counsel is not appeared in the court.
Right.
So there are some personal problems or whatever the problem is. So we are not like puppets, that whatever they do, we will do. So it is a matter of implementation of the policy, and now it will be a complete rollback or a comprehensive amendment with the consultation of bar members. Not from the all, but there should be some, there should be some conditions from the consultation from the advocates. So how to implement the policies will be there. Then we will, the deadlock will be over. Otherwise, it will continue.
Right. Secretary, earlier there were some complaints also, even from the jail, that the advocates who are turning up over here to take up the cases, they are demanding money. And even there was a complaint by the chief against the deputy regarding that he is practicing privately and for approving the attorneys. So what about those complaints?
Actually, they all are our brothers. We don't have any grudge against them. We are against the implementation. This is what we are saying. There is a misuse of the policies. Now, I admit that the policy has been made for the good use, but now it has been misused. There are many other instances also which I cannot quote. So there is a corruption level. So the corruption has increased. There is no doubt. People are using the photographs with the judges that they are very close enough to the judges. Although judges don't know where they are being used, but the pictures are being used. So these are the matters which we are, So we want to have a complete society. The main thing is judicial officers always says that they want some independence. There should be no scrutiny of the government. So why we can't? Independence is for the judiciary, then lawyers should be independent. Otherwise, there will be chaos.
Right. Any fresh announcement today?
Nothing. Yesterday we had applied for the procession at Jantar Mantar, which has been granted to us on the 7th of the next month. So we are planning. If nothing will happen, then we will go for the procession. It will be all India Bar Association calls.
Okay. On which date?
On 7th. 7th of next month. 7th August. Yes.
Right. Thank you. We are having some advocates with us. Ki naam apna ji?
Advocate Komal Karnoor Singh.
So today, it has been around 2 weeks that advocates they are protesting against the free legal aid services. What do you want to say? What are your demands and how long the protest will continue?
Basically, sir, advocates are fighting for their rights. The policy has been introduced, that is LADC, Legal Aid Defence Council. The protest is against that policy because earlier what happened, young advocates, they used to take the cases. The panel was sent by the bar only. But now the government, they are appointing the permanent advocates on salary base, in which what will happen? Accused will defend by government only. So how people will get the justice? It's all about the justice. It's about our dignified profession. The fight is for our noble profession. Fight is for the young advocates. They are fighting for the justice. If they are doing hard work, what for they are doing the hard work? They are doing hard work for the justice. As Martin Luther King says, injustice anywhere is threat to justice everywhere. So basically this is fight for the justice. If government only will defend the accused, then how the justice will prevail? So this is fight about that.
Right. Sir, there was some complaints from the jails also that advocates, they ask for the money when they come up for taking up the cases. There was even the complaint against the deputy as well as the chief of the DLSA that regarding the approving the attorneys. So what about that? Those complaints?
Sir, like there are number of advocates in our bar, those who take cases without any fee. For social services also they are contesting the cases just to prevail the justice. So we have to understand the problem. If government will put the case, if government will defend the case, then where advocate will go? Where advocate will go? So this is basically fight for the right of the advocates.
Right. So now how long the protest will continue?
Until unless LADC policy वापस नहीं होती. ਜਦੋਂ तक LADC policy वापस नहीं होती, उਦੋਂ तक ये लड़ाई चलती रहेगी.
So they are the advocates, they are protesting against the Legal Aid Defense Council, the new policy, and they are demanding total rollback of this policy as they are alleging that the policy is being misused. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Dasvera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.